Hello beauties, and if you see this face without full face of makeup, it's because we are going to be trying on IPSY products for the month of May. I'm so excited. I love receiving this bag, and let's see what the bag looks like for May. Oh my god, look at that sparkle. Just gorgeous. Not only are the products beautiful, but the bag is like to die for. I feel like when you touch it, like your hand is not full of glitter, even though you do feel it. So glam, so beautiful. So the first thing we have here is the Gold Fatten MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. I did apply this before I applied my foundation. This moisturizer is made with hyaluronic acid, organic red tea, and gooseberry extracts to brighten, plump, hydrate, and refine your skin's texture. Tip: begin with a clean skin. Apply a dime-sized amount of moisturizer to your face and neck, massaging upwards in circular motions. So you just apply it also in your neck, always working in upwards motions. I mean, I have to use this for a couple of days before I tell you how it is like on really sensitive skin. This is not tested on animals, and it says discontinue if redness or irritation occurs. I will try to use this for a couple of days and let you know how well it performs. This one is a 0.5 ounce. I will try to see if a regular size or the big one of this to tell you how much it costs. This product is made in the USA. I really enjoy the scent. This product we have here is an eyeshadow, and this is by Estate Cosmetics eye shade in Shmoney. All of Estate's cosmetics products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, buttery, buildable, and super blendable. Eyeshadow doesn't fade easy, and in metallic emerald, it's the perfect pop of color to wear from spring to summer. Packaging looks so cute. Isn't that adorable? It's really cute. Just a white little container here. Doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. And oh, look at that color. Look at that color. You ready for a swatch? Let's see how this swatches. Oh, wow, that feels nice. Look at that. Ooh, that is definitely buttery. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this on the lids. We're gonna have a green eyeshadow look today. I'm just gonna use this palette here really quick and just all over the lid. My lids are already primed. I'm gonna put a transition shade really quick. Also got something else which we will use to apply this, and this is from the brand Farah. This is a dual-ended brush. To create luxurious, high-quality, affordable products, this stylish dual-ended brush is so versatile. Use it to apply and blend foundations, contour, highlight, and more. Plus, who can resist the eye-catching iridescent handle? The 2-2E shade and blend. I'm gonna use this side here to apply this color here, Shmoney. It's definitely creamy. Isn't that pretty? No problem blending whatsoever. Never used this brand or even heard of this brand. This is why I love IPSY, because you get to try so many different products and brands. We're gonna use this part of the brush. I'm gonna take a color from my Too Faced Bonbons palette, and what should we mix that with? I think we're just gonna smoke it out because, you know, that's my life. Color here, for some reason I want to use that color, and we'll see how well this side of the brush blends. This reminds me like of a mint chocolate chip. I don't have any brush like tapered like this. Let's go back with that eyeshadow, and since we lost some of the color, I'm gonna take it with my finger because that always intensifies the color, and let's see how it looks. Wow, look at that. Imagine if you were to wet this, I'm sure it would look amazing. Honestly think this packed on the shadow really nicely, and this really packs on the color. It packs on the color and it blends. I wouldn't say it's like a 224 from MAC, It's a little more dense, like packed, so it will really get the color there. I really like this. Let me also highlight in the inner corner because we have to. We also have here a eyeliner, and this is by the brand IPSY by Petra, Endless Silky Eye Pen in Sage Gold. So it's founded by working mom of 4. IPSY by Petra is all about products that make multitasking easy. This gel textured, waterproof, smudge proof, long wear eyeliner glides on easy and deposits highly pigmented gold green color. I guess that would go perfect with our look, right? I'm trying to take the plastic out of here so we can actually use it, and I'm struggling. I saw so many things from IPSY when I went to Marshall's and to TJ Maxx. You guys saw the video. I didn't get anything from them, so I'm glad this is gonna be the first time. If you're interested, I also bought here another IPSY bag, and if you're wondering why it's different, is because this one is called a mystery bag. I'll be doing a separate video for this one. Is my first time ever trying a mystery bag. Basically, it's like leftovers from a couple of months. Oh, finally, wow. It's like leftovers that they have from previous months. I just started getting IPSY again, so there's a lot of months that I missed. Mystery bag, I believe they don't look at your profile, so it's just like they're just gonna throw in some things and good luck, and hopefully you like them. Unlike the one you get monthly, it's all based on your profile, your answers, your skin type, all of that. See if it was worth it. We will be trying on the products, and I did choose the month of February. You do get to choose the month, which month you want to try, and I saw the bag for February. I thought it was really cute. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see this mystery bag. So let's do this swatch here. Made in the USA. This one is 0.04 ounces. Swatch right next to the eyeshadow. Wow, that is creamy. So look at that. That's more like an olive. They did say it's like a green and gold. Very different to this one. We'll use that in the waterline. Let me just go and put some eyeliner on. Alright, now let's try this. Ooh, that is really nice. It worked wonders. No problem whatsoever. I would say it's like a nice olive, and you do see like the gold glitters. I think is a really wearable green. Also try to put the price of this right here. Is a skincare product, I don't even know how you say it, Innisfree, or clearing clay mask with super volcanic clusters. I love skincare. I love receiving masks, so I'm very interested in this. It says sources the finest, most natural ingredients from Korea, including the volcanic clusters infused into this mask. The multitasking formula helps minimize the appearance of pores, absorbs oil, gently exfoliates, cleanses, and evens out skin tone. Apply this mask all over the face evenly and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. I'll also try to put the price of this here. This is a 0.67 ounce. Let's open it up. Can we just say this little container is gorgeous. I love mini size things, and this is just too adorable to use 1 to twice a week. Oh, ooh, look at that. I don't even want to dip my finger in there. I just think it looks so cute. I will insert a clip of me using this, but first I wanted to do the makeup. Nice clay mask. I love clay masks to like dry out all your acne. Oh, it's so good. So that's what it looks like. I'm trying to see if there's a scent, but it must be very faint because I'm sniffing here and I'm barely getting anything. It's not completely smooth. Also update you on this after using it a couple of times, maybe like in 2 weeks. I'll update you, or maybe make a separate video on this mask. Enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe for monthly IPSY unbagging videos, and if you're excited to watch this IPSY mystery bag, then give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, that way I will prioritize this video for you. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!